Hello guys, welcome back again. So I'm sharing right now one another application that I have come across, and I'm found this application is really good application for Android phones that you can control. Like you have the own terminal shell application inside your terminal or Android phone. Without rooted, you can do lots of stuff like if you have a Linux server that you want to manage through SSH and if you want to use some other stuff that you can do with the terminal that you can do right away with your phone. So without wasting time, let's get going. So I'm just sharing my screen to let you know about this. As you can see, this is termux.com. So it is an Android application which provides us a terminal. Like in Linux we have a terminal, or in Windows we have a command prompt similar to that. In the Linux, in the Android phone we will be having a terminal. And what are the different uses of it? So let's start about it. So right now I have Windows system, and I am casting my phone to it. So as you can see, let me cast my phone again, connecting my phone to the system. All right, as you can see, this is my phone screen, and the application is Termux. You can find it in Google. Just you need to write Termux, and it will open up, right? So this is the application. There are different screenshots of it. So let's explore this application. So going to this terminals, you see it provides us console. Inside this, it is similar to Linux console that we have. So you can install Apache inside this if you want to run. Let's take an example: a PHP website, a static website, uh, inside your Android phone. You can do that. So Apache CTL is a command to start the Apache server. So yep. Let's go to the browser and open the Google. Then let me check the IP address uh, of my phone. You can do if config similar to it is like there 192.168.0.17 and the port is Apache default configured is 8080. So when I click on that, you see my website is loading. So this website is loading from my Android phone, and right now it is inside the internal network, but we can make it publicly. For that, there are tools available. One of the tool available in market is NGRock. I believe you heard of it. NGRock, what it does, it creates some dynamic URL for you. You can in the free plan, and your local instance will be visible to the public. So in that way, you can create website, host in your Android phone, and it will be available publicly. So this is pretty much a very interesting thing, since in our mobile phone we have the network connection always available, and 90% cases our phones are always charged. So you can create your personal like profile website or something static website very easily on your uh, and host it on your Android phone. So that is the one thing that you can do with Termux. Another interesting thing is, let me show you where are these website files are stored. So let's go to the back directory, go to the user directory, etc directory, go to the project. As you can see, the configuration file is here, http config. So we can edit. I mean, you can install the package for editing this file. Right now, I do not have any packages, so you can install like. Let me do that. Package install. So by using that command, you can install packages as well. And one more interesting thing is most of the packages that General and Linux console or terminal has, it has almost 80% of packages available out there. So this is a really nice thing. So when http config, yep, this file is open here. You can see the default port is 8080. Here different modules which are available and the one we have enabled. So this is similar to the Apache configuration file that we have. Yeah, as you can see, the directory you see, this is the directory of our document. It is under user share. So let's go back, control and escape it. All right, so let's create a new session of it. I'm not sure right now how to exit that. There must be some command of it to exit the shell. So print working directory slash user. Okay, go to the share directory ls, go to the Apache to ls, go to the default website ht docs. Yep, and you see there is a HTML template license.txt. Yeah, you see the license.txt, you can see here. Control C. Okay, we have right column QA. All right, so let's see if license.txt loads here. So we'll go to 192.80.80 slash license.txt. Yeah, you see this file is loading. Let's update that file and see if we are checking the right file. So couple, I've just added my name and escape colon wq is the command for saving the file. Let's go to the browser couple, as you can see here. So yeah, this is the same thing. We are editing it at right place. So this is the HTML template that I have. So you can create your static website and host in Android very easily. So another thing is the making it available on public domain. For that, there is a tool ngrok available. As I mentioned, using ngrok, you can run the command like go back to the previous directory cd slash cd slash print directory cd slash ls print directory cd slash ls cd. Go to the home directory. I have downloaded the ngrok here. As you can see, ngrok. You can run ngrok http and you can define the port number. So if I run this right away, I am not sure it will run or not. let's check it. Yeah, this is the issue with the Android application, that it doesn't connect until you create a hotspot. So right now I cannot do that because if I do that, my casting to my Windows PC will be disconnected. So that's why I cannot do that. But if you do it right, like if you haven't connected to the hotspot, then it will face this error, and you have to turn off your Wi-Fi. Just enable your mobile data and turn on the hotspot, and it will provide you some dynamic URL like some string xyz.n0.5, and that is accessible. That will be accessible outside to the public world, anywhere in the world, and it will serve the content from your mobile. So this is pretty much fascinating. So that is the one example of it, and how we can make our phone as a hosting provider. You can say to serve our static website. We can do like a host some PHP MySQL website as well, but that will be more difficult to manage. So static websites we can easily do that. Another great example is it is a terminal. So I can, if let's take an example. I want to ping some URL, I can do that. If I need to check the time, date, similar to what Linux terminal has. And another good thing is if I have my server where my website is stored or hosted, and I want to log into the SSH to manage my website. So take an example. If I have my website InfoGiants.com, I can access it. It will ask for the password. I will enter the password. Yep, here I go. As you can see, I have logged in to my InfoGiants domain. So I can manage the websites from here. I can go to my server. Yeah, I can see my websites folder here. I can make changes and I can exit it simply. So using my phone, I can log into my server. I can make the changes. I can restart some services. I can see some logs. Anything I can do. So SSH, using SSH, you can connect to some other developer system or anywhere around the world using just your Android phone. That is pretty cool. And using N0, you can make your local server, the server live to the world. You can host your website inside your Android phone. That is pretty much cool. You can also, there is a ADB shell available here. So in the Android phones, I read about it. There are some ports available. There you can connect to the Android phone. So one port is triple 4 times 5 port available. So I'll explore more about it. So you can connect to the Android phones which have these ports enabled, and you can access the Android phone remotely using this Termux application. So this is really a good thing, and you can find more commands. Just click on the help, and it will show you the commands available inside this terminal. So this is pretty much about it, the Termux application. If you find it helpful, then do let me know your query, questions, or the comments in the comment section. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. So, you, yeah, this is the right control. All right. So, thanks for watching. Stop cluster. All right. So, this is pretty much about the Termux. If you really like it, enjoy it, do let me know in the comment section. Till then, click on the subscribe button and stay tuned. Thanks for